How to make new Telegram account without phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can make a new Telegram account without a phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to make a new Telegram account without a phone number, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Telegram application here. You can see right off the bat, whenever we launch the Telegram app, the very first thing it asks me to do is to simply enter my phone number. So as you can see, currently there is no way that we could not create an account without a phone number. You will need a phone number, but if you don't have a real phone number, there is one thing that you can do, and that is that you can use a virtual phone number. Now there are many websites and services out there that are completely legal that will offer you this type of services, which you can use, and then you will be able to get the virtual numbers along with the verification code. So if you don't have a real phone number, for privacy reasons, you might want to use a virtual phone number. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.